Congratulations on the purchase of your new Lincoln Town Car, one of the great names in American luxury vehicles. Not only does Town Car deliver prestige and comfort, but it is also one of the most technologically advanced cars on the market. Please take a few minutes to watch this video. We've included it with your purchase package to explain some of the more technically advanced features on Town Car. While much of this material can be found in the owner's guide, we think watching it will greatly improve your driving experience. So let's begin. To start, let's get into the car. There are three ways to unlock your vehicle and disarm the alarm. The first is to utilize the keyless entry system. By punching in the correct codes on the door-mounted keypad, you can unlock the car without using the key. The keyless entry system comes equipped with a pre-programmed factory code. This code can be found on the owner's wallet card in the glove compartment or taped to the computer module. To set your own 5-digit access code, see the owner's guide. To unlock the door, simply punch in the code. Pressing the 3-4 key within 5 seconds of pressing the combination will unlock the rest of the doors. Pressing 5-6 after punching in the code will unlock the trunk. To lock the doors, simply press 7-8 and 9-0 at the same time. Make sure to press the center of the pad when punching in a code to ensure proper activation. You will likely find that you'll use the remote keyless entry system most often. By pressing the unlock button once, the driver's door will unlock and the perimeter alarm system will disarm. By pressing the button again within 3 seconds, you will unlock all vehicle doors. Your remote also has a lock button. If you press this once, all doors will lock and the perimeter anti-theft system will be armed. Once you have successfully locked the vehicle, you'll hear a chirp and the turn signal lamps will flash once. This confirms that the doors, the hood, and the trunk are all closed. Town Car also comes equipped with the SecuriLock passive anti-theft system. Your key is embedded with one of over 72 quadrillion code combinations. Be assured that your key is the only key that will ever start your vehicle. SecuriLock works like this. When you place your key in the ignition, the code is read by the anti-theft system. If the key code does not match the system's code, the car will not start. If you have trouble starting the vehicle, check to make sure that you don't have any large metallic objects near the key. Such objects can affect the proper operation of SecuriLock. Not only does Town Car deliver on quality and comfort, but it also brings peace of mind. One of the many safety features on Town Car are the child-proof rear door locks. They're located on the back edge of each rear door and must be set separately. To do this, simply move the lock control in the direction of the arrow, and the lock will engage to prevent the door from being opened from the inside. Now, let's take a closer look at the interior features of your Lincoln Town Car. Many owners of Lincoln Town Car will find 2 or more drivers use the vehicle. If this is the case in your family, you'll find the memory feature invaluable. This function allows the position of the driver's seat, adjustable pedals, and outside rear view mirrors to be automatically set for 3 separate drivers. You'll find the memory control on the driver's door. There are 3 buttons: Set, 1, and 2. The number 1 refers to the first driver, and the number 2 refers to the second driver. Pressing 1 and 2 simultaneously will activate the feature for the third driver. To program the seat, pedal, and mirror position for the first driver, simply move these features to a comfortable position and press the Set button. When the indicator light glows, press the number 1 control. Repeat the same procedure for the second driver, but press the number 2 control. To set the feature for the third driver, position the seat, pedals, and mirrors, and then simultaneously press 1 and 2. To recall the memory positions for a particular driver, your vehicle must be in park. You can also recall memory seat positions when you press your remote entry transmitter unlock button. Be sure to read this portion of your owner's guide for complete step-by-step instructions on programming and recalling memory positions using the remote transmitter. Speed control is an important element to making any long journey a more pleasant driving experience. By exploring the various components built into the speed control feature, you'll ensure you're making the most of your purchase. Let's take a look at the speed control. The controls are located on the lower left portion of the steering wheel. To turn speed control on, you must be traveling at least 30 miles per hour and press the on button. You can turn it off by simply pressing the off button. To set a specific speed, turn the system on and press the Set Accelerate button. If you want to raise or lower your set speed, simply press and hold the Set Accelerate or Coast button until you've reached your desired speed. You can also tap these buttons to increase or decrease your speed by 1 mile an hour increments with each press. You can disengage speed control by pressing off or depressing the brake pedal. If you step on the brake, the system will stay on, and you can return to the previous set speed by pressing resume when you're traveling at least 30 miles per hour. Your Lincoln Town Car may also be equipped with the HomeLink Universal Transceiver. This device is located on the driver's visor and provides a convenient means for replacing various handheld transmitters with a single built-in device. It can learn and operate garage doors, entry gates, security systems, entry door locks, and home lighting. If your Lincoln Town Car has the HomeLink Universal Transceiver, you'll want to fully examine the programming and operating instructions in your owner's guide. Your Lincoln sales consultant will gladly assist you if necessary. You can also call this toll-free customer assistance number or access the HomeLink website for help. Once you've programmed HomeLink, its operation is simple. Just press and release the appropriate HomeLink button to operate the device you've programmed for that position. The Lincoln Town Car also features the electronic automatic temperature control system. This system will automatically maintain the temperature you select unless you choose to disable it using the override controls or the fan speed control. You should be aware that once the automatic operation is selected, the system will choose heat or air conditioning and fresh or recirculated air to maintain the desired temperature. It may also allow airflow out of the defroster and demister outlets in order to reduce window fogging. A helpful hint: selecting manual defrost will quickly reduce window fogging. In particularly cold weather, if the engine is not warm enough to provide heat, the fan speed may operate on low and direct airflow to the windshield and floor until the air is warmed enough to send all airflow to the floor. In any of these instances, the automatic temperature control is simply doing its job. It's not malfunctioning. Another feature worth noting on the climate control system is that the temperature control must be set between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit for the automatic temperature control to work. When the temperature control is lowered to 60 degrees, the air cooling system goes into maximum cooling mode and will continue cooling and disregard the displayed temperature until a warmer temperature is selected. The same is true if the temperature control is set to 90 degrees. The heating system will go into continuous maximum heat mode and disregard the display temperature until a cooler temperature is selected. Also, be aware that Town Car's air conditioning system will only work if the outside temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, because the air conditioner acts to remove moisture from the air, it is normal that on occasion clear water will drip from underneath the vehicle, even after you stop. This is normal. If you notice a liquid other than clear water dripping from beneath the vehicle, have it looked at by a Lincoln certified mechanic. Something to keep in mind when parking the car is that the climate control system should not be left in the maximum air conditioning or off modes. By leaving the vehicle in either one of these modes, the vehicle is unable to breathe through the outside air inlet ducts. Driving with the climate control system off will cause humidity to build up in the vehicle, as there is no exchange with outside air. Only use this mode for short periods of time to shut out unpleasant odors. Another new feature on Town Car is an additional power point or 12-volt electrical outlet. For your convenience, an optional power point is located under the dash. Lincoln Town Car further enhances your driving experience with a state-of-the-art audio system. Consult your owner's guide for general operating instructions for the audio system. Let's take a quick look at some of the more interesting features. If you've selected the Premium or Alpine audio system, you will notice there's a phone receiver icon on the front of the audio control panel. By pressing the phone mute button at any time, you will mute whatever media is currently playing. Pressing the phone mute button again will resume the audio. You will also notice the audio control features a button labeled DSP. This stands for Digital Signal Processing. When you press the DSP control, you can then choose the signal mode that best suits your listening tastes. For instance, if the booming sounds of a concert hall are to your liking, you can choose Hall by using the SEL or Select button. Conversely, if the intimate sounds of a jazz club environment are your preference, you can select Jazz Club. Once you've chosen the listening mode that suits you, you can then press the DSP control and then press the SEL or Select button to select either all seats, driver's seat, or rear seats for sound equalization. If you notice that the audio signal sounds muted or weak, it may be that the digital signal processing function is activated. Press the SEL button until DSP off is displayed to return to normal equalization. Lincoln Town Car also includes a compression feature that smooths the difference between soft and loud CD passages for a more consistent sound level. If a favorite musical selection sounds off, check to see if this feature is inactive by pressing the comp key on the radio panel. For added convenience, your Lincoln Town Car also offers programmable speed-sensitive volume. It will increase or decrease audio volume depending on vehicle speed. You can adjust this feature by turning the radio on, pressing and holding the volume control for 5 seconds, and then pressing the SEL button up or down to increase or decrease volume compensation. The range varies from 0 for least to 7 for most compensation. In addition, the CD component of the audio system features a shuffle key. Activating this function instructs the CD player to play the selections in random order. To return to normal play mode, that is to play CDs in their standard order, press the shuffle key a second time. The audio system also features a 6 CD changer that allows you to load several CDs at a time. This allows the listener to choose between multiple CDs without having to take the time to reload the system. To load the magazine, first eject the magazine from the changer and slide the CDs into the magazine with the labels facing up. To remove the CDs, gently pull out on the tabs located along the side of the magazine. Note that the magazine does not have to be full to play CDs and that it can be inserted or removed with the power off. If you notice that CDs are skipping, it is most likely the result of rough driving conditions or a scratched CD. In some cases, the CD player may become too hot. If the unit heats to over 140 degrees, it is designed to stop playing. If you suspect this is the case, turn the unit off and allow it to cool. Sharing the control button with DSP is the Radio Data System, or RDS feature. You'll want to use the RDS button to set the clock. Press RDS until clock hour or clock minute is displayed. Then use the SEL or Select control to manually set the time. As we mentioned earlier, the Town Car is a great luxury car, but it's also a safe car. Let's take a look at some of the features that make Town Car such a safe vehicle. Anti-lock brakes, or ABS, are perhaps one of the most misunderstood features on any vehicle. They're designed to give the driver control in a hard braking situation or on slippery conditions. ABS will not reduce the stopping distance. The ABS checks itself each time you start your vehicle and begin to drive away. You may hear a slight mechanical noise during this self-check. Well, that's normal. When ABS activates, you may feel a pulsation in the brake pedal and hear a noise from the hydraulic pump motor. These are both normal occurrences. Remember that pumping your brakes will defeat the benefits of your ABS. In an emergency or slippery situation, Apply continuous full force on the brake pedal and the ABS will activate. Let ABS do its job at preventing wheel lockup, and you'll have confidence and control in virtually any situation. Your vehicle is also equipped with a traction control system. This feature operates at all speeds to detect and control wheel spin. The system detects excess rear wheel spin and then automatically applies and releases the rear wheel brakes while reducing engine torque to make the best of available traction. Your reminder icon will illuminate when this happens. You'll notice traction control operation most frequently under snowy and icy driving conditions. You may hear an electric motor sound coming from the engine compartment when it is on. This is normal. The engine may also fail to rev up when you push further on the accelerator. This is also normal to help control the vehicle. If you should become stuck in snow or on a slippery surface, you can disengage traction control by switching the system off. This will allow wheel spin and may allow you to dig out of your predicament. Owners of Town Car will also appreciate the standard power adjustable accelerator and brake pedals. The adjustable pedal feature allows the driver to position the accelerator and brake pedals using the switch located on the instrument panel. Pressing the bottom of the switch moves the pedals toward the driver. Pressing the top moves the pedals away from the driver. If your vehicle is equipped with the memory feature, the pedal positions will be included in the memory settings. Now that we've outlined several of the features on Town Car, let's take a few minutes to discuss keeping Town Car in perfect running condition. You'll need to keep up your vehicle's maintenance schedule, as outlined in your owner's guide. But there are also several common sense ideas to keep in mind to ensure your Town Car remains in pristine condition for a lifetime. Don't take your tires for granted. Maintain adequate pressure as specified on the vehicle's certification label, located on the inside of the driver's door. Check tire pressure when the tires are cold, or after the vehicle's been parked for at least an hour, or only driven less than 3 miles. Improperly inflated tires can adversely affect vehicle handling and negatively impact tire longevity and fuel economy. If the seats of your Lincoln Town Car should become soiled, do not attempt to use household cleaning products, alcohol solutions, or solvents. We recommend the Deluxe Leather Care Kit, available from your Lincoln dealer. It's specially designed for cleaning the leather seats of your Lincoln Town Car. An important note regarding the cleaning of seats equipped with the side impact airbags. Chemical solvents or strong detergents could contaminate and adversely affect the performance of the airbag system. Consult your owner's guide for specific instructions. We hope this program has helped you better understand the technology found in your Lincoln Town Car. If you have any further questions, please consult the owner's guide, the helpful hint sheet, or call 1-800-521-4140. By using every feature on your new Town Car to its fullest, be assured that you're getting the most out of your new vehicle. That is, you can be confident you're getting every ounce of performance out of one of America's great luxury sedans. Welcome to the Lincoln family.